Hello kids, say with me. A. A is for apple. Again say with me. A is for apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now it's your turn. Say with me. B. B is for ball. Again say with me. B is for ball. The ball is round. Say with me. Now it's your turn. Say with me. C. C is for cat. Again say with me. C is for cat. The cat is cute. Now it's your turn. Say with me. D. D is for dog. Again say with me. D is for dog. The dog is big. Now it's your turn. Say with me. E. E is for elephant. Again say with me. E is for elephant. The elephant is gray. Now it's your turn. Say with me. F. F is for fish. Again say with me. F is for fish. The fish can swim. Now it's your turn. Say with me. G. G is for giraffe. Again say with me. G. G is for giraffe. The giraffe is tall. Now it's your turn. Say with me. H. H is for house. Again say with me. H is for house. The house is blue. Now it's your turn. Say with me. I. I is for ice cream. Again say with me. I is for ice cream. I like ice cream. Now it's your turn. Say with me. J. J is for juice. Again say with me. J is for juice. I like juice. Now it's your turn. Say with me. K. K is for kite. Again say with me. K is for kite. The kite is flying. Now it's your turn. Say with me. L. L is for lion. Again say with me. L is for lion. The lion is roaring. Now it's your turn. Say with me. M. M is for monkey. Again say with me. M is for monkey. The monkey is funny. Now it's your turn. Say with me. N. N is for nut. Again say with me. N is for nut. The nut is round. Now it's your turn. Say with me. O. O is for owl. Again say with me. O is for owl. The owl is wise. Now it's your turn. Say with me. P. P is for penguin. Again say with me. P is for penguin. The penguin is sliding. Now it's your turn. Say with me. Q. Q is for queen. Again say with me. Q is for queen. The queen wears a crown. Now it's your turn. Say with me. R. R is for rainbow. Again say with me. R is for rainbow. The rainbow is colorful. Now it's your turn. Say with me. S. S is for sun. Again say with me. S is for sun. The sun is bright. Now it's your turn. Say with me. T. T is for tree. Again say with me. T is for tree. The tree is green. Now it's your turn. Say with me, U. U is for umbrella. Again say with me, U is for umbrella. The umbrella is open. Now it's your turn. Say with me, V. V is for violin. Again say with me, V is for violin. The violin makes music. Now it's your turn. Say with me, W. W is for well. Again say with me, W is for well. The well is fuse. Now it's your turn. Say with me, X. X is for xylophone. Again say with me, X is for xylophone. The xylophone is fun to play. Now it's your turn. Say with me, Y. Y is for yum. Again say with me, Y is for yum. The yum is very tasty. Now it's your turn. G. Say with me, G. G is for zebra. Again say with me, G is for zebra. The zebra has strips. Now it's your turn. Subscribe for more videos.